Hello everyone, welcome to Mojo for Industry, and we are at the stall of Delta Electronics. When it comes to industrial automation, Electronics is one of the renowned player in that particular segment. And today we will be talking to Mr. Manish Walia, who is head automation for Industrial Automation Business Group of Delta Electronics India Private Limited. So we'll be talking to him, and we'll try to understand what is there for Delta Electronics in the times to come. When it comes to industrial IoT, Delta is one of the pioneers in that particular field. So, what are the kind of solutions you offer, and how do you see the trend in Indian market as of now?
Of course, we all heard the buzzword, which used to be a buzzword few years back, the industry 4 or IoT. We have started seeing the light of it, and then we definitely see it really growing in the industry, and the requirements are growing. And then Delta is one of the pioneer when it comes to the industry 4 or IoT segment, with a lot of our products which are all IoT enabled, and we work around those products, build solutions around it, including the software, and then of course, analytics. We definitely bring in some analytics around it as well, and then of course our integrators and partners also use them, whether it is the hardware and the software solutions, and then bring in the IoT enabled systems to the industry. Yeah.
When the world is actually talking about Industry 4.0 adoption, even they are thinking about Industry 5.0 also sometimes. How do you see the kind of acceptance in Indian market? Has it been really, have we been really able to actually adopt those in a widely manner, like full-fledged?
I think these are early days, but then we definitely see when it comes to the Industry 5, we all are hearing about it. And definitely, the word collaborative is more and more becoming popular. Not just the popularity of it, but then in an industry sphere or a manufacturing line, we see the robots being used alongside the man, or the man and the machine. Collaboration is increasing, and different processes which are repetitive in nature, which needs some robotic interference or automation. That's where we use the robots, and then of course there is a manpower which is there in the line, which is working alongside. I'm sure with the coming years, once more and more collaborative robots being used in the industry across, with affordability becoming much better, based on the economies of scale increasing, uh, this will catch up, definitely will catch up. And then we also are, right now witnessing the launch of 5G, which will definitely expedite the overall adoption or the acceptance of Industry 5. Yeah.
Electric mobility is the segment which is actually showing a kind of traction for Indian market when you see the entire automobile industry. So where exactly Delta fits into this particular segment?
Talking predominantly for the EV segment, of course, we work on the motor controller and such drivetrain, powertrain solutions for the two-wheeler and the four-wheeler and the three-wheeler, also for the last mile connectivity. We have quite a few installations in India on the EV charging stations across, and that segment is growing very, very aggressively. And we see a huge potential of the EV charging and such kind of infrastructure, clubbed with our storage solutions and the renewable solutions, which will bring in more sustainability growth story for us in the coming years. And as you know, Delta is committed to being carbon neutral by 2030. That's a commitment in terms of the operations, global operations we have across the different countries and the continents.
So, what are the expansion plans you have? Where do you wish to expand yourself?
So coming to the automation, of course, infrastructure is one of our key segment. We focus on manufacturing as another key segment, where a lot of investments are coming in. We've seen a lot of PLI schemes being have been announced, and which are directly impacting our business growth, and we are definitely present in those spaces. Coming to the sustainability part of it, or the EV part of it, of course, we in our business line, we work with the two and the three wheeler OEMs, to bring in the powertrain solution, the motor controller solutions for them, using some of our products from the different business units, and we bring the complete package to the two and three wheeler OEMs.
Talking about this particular exhibition, we could see you have already introduced Servo Press, the new product in your kitty. So could you give us more information about that product?
Yeah, servo press is the new launch for us, and the range I believe is from 1 ton to the 5 tons. There are two different set of product lines within the servo press which we are launching, and we see a lot of traction for this product. It's only the second day today. I understand there is a lot of interest by people who are coming in and seeing this product. And of course, this brings in a lot of reliability, a lot of precision in terms of various industry segments it can be used in. For example, electronics, automotive. This one which you are seeing here is for doing the spring press function, and then of course bearing industry. We see a lot of business opportunities for this, direct and through the partners in the coming years.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great talking to you, sir.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.